Pandas, normalize values by group. I find it hard to explain with words what I want to achieve, so please don't judge me for showing a simple example instead. I have a table that looks like this. I want to normalize this data separately for each case of main_call. For example, if we're to choose min-max normalization and scale it to range 0, 100, I want the output to look like this. Where for each case of main_call, the highest value is scaled to 100 and the nether value is scaled in respective proportion.
You can use groupie.transform max to get the max per group, then normalize in place. Or output.
The normalization formula you are looking for is 100, x dot max. Result.